Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today I'm going to cook a brisket on the Pit Boss K24 Kamado. You maybe know that the brisket is the most difficult meat to cook on a barbecue because there is a lot of collagen, and we need to break that collagen to perfectly cook the brisket. So the first thing to do is to remove the fat, but we will not remove all the fat. We will keep maybe 3 milliliters of fat on the meat, and then we will just rub it. It's about 6 p.m. Tonight, so I will rub it now, and let's sit in the fridge until tomorrow at 6 in the morning, when I will light my barbecue and start smoking that brisket at 250 Fahrenheit degrees, which is about 120 degrees. So to make the rub, it's easy. I will use the simple rub from Texas. Is just salt and pepper. So I will use salt flour and black peppercorn. It's cracked black pepper corn, not ground pepper. So let's go. So for the rub, I will use a 50-50% of cracked black pepper and salt. So I just rubbed the brisket. Now I will put it in the fridge for overnight, and tomorrow morning, it may be 5:30 or 6 a.m. I will light the Kamado and start smoking until an internal temperature of 63 Celsius degrees. At that point, I will wrap the brisket in butcher paper, and then put the brisket back in the smoker, always at 120 Celsius degrees, until 93 Celsius degrees for the internal temperature of the meat. So it's about 203 Fahrenheit degrees. So after 2 or 3 hours of smoking, I will spray some apple juice and apple cider vinegar on the meat. So we will keep a good humidity level inside the barbecue, and the apple juice will help to get a better crust, a better bark. So now the charcoal is ready. I will put some wood chunks on top and put the meat on. So now the barbecue is ready. It's already smoking because I put some wood chunks on top of the coals, and I put the deflector on the grate, and now I will smoke the brisket. So 63, 64. 65, 63. It's now time to wrap the brisket. So to wrap the brisket, I will use some butcher paper, pink butcher paper. So it's easy to do. So now I will put it back in the smoker at 120 Celsius degrees for maybe 3, 4, 5 hours. I don't know, but the internal temperature must be of 92, 93 Celsius degrees. So the brisket is back in the smoker, and now we will get a stall. Okay, that stall is necessary, and it may take maybe 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours. It depends of the size of the meat and from different factors. So don't worry about that. Let it like that. Just check your temperature, and when the brisket will reach the internal temperature of 92 or 93 Celsius degrees, 203 Fahrenheit degrees, you will remove it from the smoker. All right, now the internal temperature of the brisket is at 93 Celsius degrees, so it's time to pull it off the smoker and let it rest for 2 hours in a fridge box or anything that keeps the temperature in the environment. All right, so. Look at it. Wow. It looks great. Voyez? Alors c'est plutôt réussi. So as you can see, the brisket is really juicy, and it's you can bend it. It can bend easily, but you can pull it easily too. So it's perfect. You get a beautiful smoke ring almost everywhere around the meat. It's perfect. Let's eat. So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.